Let's try to read these items like featured Italian spaghetti, banana, chicken Caesar salad, sandwich, fruit cup, salad, Japanese style egg, drinks, coffee, big gulp, 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 bottled water, 7 select pure water, purified water, spring water, membership. Okay, Slurpee. Blue raspberry cherry can't go wrong with the classic. The Slurpee evolution in the late 1950s, a markedly soda fountain, as his restaurant wrote. I'm so sorry. Energy drinks. Okay, energy drinks. Let's read. Fusion, fusion, energy, cosmic, cherry, galactic, citrus. We keep that energy going. Monster. Okay, monster. Okay. Pizza. Pizza. $5 million deal. Our pizza slice have reached new heights. Cheese, pepperoni, extreme meat. Okay, I can read it. I think I can. 7-story snacks. Okay, let's read it. Apple snack pie. Look chili lime. Habanero lime. Humanize. Corn snacks. Chocolate chip. Jalapeno jack. Uh, Doritos Flamin, Hot Nacho, Tortilla chips. Traditional snack mix. Choc chip cookie, Dove protein bar, popcorn original flavor, tortilla chips.